Number one, the following diagram shows a circle with center O and radius 4. This the circle. The points P, Q, and R lie on the circumference of the circle, and angle POR is theta. You can see on this circle. The theta is measured in radians. The length of arc PQR is 10 centimeters. So PQR 10 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the shaded sector. So the perimeter is PQR plus 4 plus 4. PQR is 10. This is 4. This is 4. So PQR 10 plus 4 plus 4. A, the perimeter equals 10 plus 4 plus 4, it is 18 centimeters. B, find theta. To find theta, we need to find the perimeter of circle. The perimeter of circle, the formula is 2 pi r. 2 multiply 22 over 7 times 4 centimeters. And if you calculate, the result is 25.143 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of circle. I'm going to show you. This is 10 centimeters, but the perimeter of circle, the perimeter of circle is 25.143. Okay, so difference. A perimeter of shaded area, this is 10 plus, this is 10, okay, plus 4 plus 4. But if perimeter circle is the perimeter of circle, the circumference of circle, right? As we continue, it means theta equal 10. 10 is length of PQR, this one, QR, because this is theta, so PQR divided by 360, it's 10, 10 divided by, no, not 360, but 25.143, 25.143, okay, multiply 360, because in degrees. So if you calculate, the result is 141.565 degrees. We are going to convert degrees into radians. It means 145.565 multiply 3.14 divided by 180. And it is 2.4695. Round off becomes 2.5 radians. Next. C. Find the area of the shaded sector. So we're going to find this area, the shaded sector. The shaded sector here. Firstly, we need to find area of circle pi r squared, or 22 over 7 multiply 4 squared, and it is 50.2857. And area of shaded sector, it equals 141.5 65 divided by 360. This is theta. Okay, this is theta. So theta divided by 360 multiply this area. 50.2857 and it equals 19.774. Round off becomes 20 centimeters squared because area. Number two, consider an arithmetic sequence with u first equals 6 equals 0.6 and u fourth is 0.15. Find the common difference d. Common difference d. Uh, through this program, we have information that u first equal 0.6. This one is this one 0.6. Sorry, this one 0.6 and u4 equals 0.15. 0.15. And un, the rules, the formula un is the first plus n minus 1 multiply d. And it means if u4, it is u first multiply n is 4, it means 3d. Okay. u4 is 0.15, u first is 0.16 plus 3d. Remove here. So 3d plus 0.15 minus 0.6. 3d equal minus 0.45. d equal minus 0.45 divided by 3, and it is minus 0.15. So d equals minus 0.15. Continue the question. The following table shows the probability distribution of a discrete random variable x such that the probability x equal n equal un divided by k. Okay, and this information, so this is the table, find the value of k. B. Px equal n, it is u n divided by k. And px equal 1, if you look on the table, x equal 1, 1 is 0.6 divided by k. If n equal 2, this is, if x equal 2, u second divided by k. Okay. 0.6 divided by k, and x equal 2, it means u second divided by k. Remove here. If probability x equal 3 or n equal 3, u third divided by k, and if probability x equal 4, it is 0.15 divided by k. So you can evaluate through, I'm going to show you this table. Okay. N equal 1, this one, n equal 2, this one, n equal 3, this one, 4 equal this one. Right. So the probability, the maximum, the probability value is equal 1. So probability x equal 1 plus probability x equal 2 plus probability x equals 3 plus the probability x equals 4, and it is 1. The probability x equal 1 is un divided by k plus this is 0.6. Sorry, no, I'm wrong. We are going to start 0.6, okay? Not including un. 0. Because x equal 1, 0.6, 0.6. Okay, this one, u second. Okay, this one, u third. Okay, 0.15 over k equal 1. And then multiply by k, all terms. If multiply by k becomes 0.6 plus u second plus u third plus 0.15 equal k. For 0.6 plus 0.15 is 0.75 plus u second plus u third equal k. And next, I'm going to find u second and u third based on this information, this rule that un equal u first plus n minus 1 times d. If u second, it means u first is 0.6 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 times d is minus 0.15 and it is 0.45, 0.6 minus 0.15. And u third is u first 0.6 plus 3 minus 1, it means 2. 2 times minus 0.15. So 0.6 minus 0.3, it is 0.3. After that, substitute 0.45 and 0.3 into this equation. So this equation becomes k equal 0.75 plus 0.45 plus 0.3. And if you calculate, the result is 1.5. So k equal 1.5. Next question. Number 3. A function is defined by fx equal 1 minus 1 over x minus 2, where x element real, x not equal to 2. The graph of y equal fx has a vertical asymptote and a horizontal asymptote. So vertical asymptote and horizontal asymptote. Write down the equation of vertical asymptote, or write down the equations of the horizontal asymptote. So we are going to determine vertical asymptote and the horizontally asymptote. All right. So from the function fx equal 1 minus 1 over x minus 2. So we are going to determine the vertically asymptote and the horizontally asymptote. To find the vertically asymptote, we look for the values of x that make the denominator, this numerator and this denominator, the denominator of the fraction of these fractions go to 0. So it means if the denominator equals 0, why? Because division by 0 leads to undefined. So 1 divided by 0 equal undefined. If 1 divided by 0, it is undefined. So we need this statement because the rule of asymptote. Okay, so the vertically asymptote occurs where the denominator equals 0. If denominator equals 0, okay, this is 3a part 1. If denominator equals 0, it means x minus 2 equals 0, right? And after that, x equal 2. So the equations of the vertically asymptote, I'll write it here, the equation of the vertically asymptote is x equal to 1. The second, to find the horizontal, this vertical asymptote, and the second is this vertical asymptote, the second is horizontally asymptote. To find the horizontal asymptote, we need to consider that x approaches to unlimited, okay, to plus unlimited and minus unlimited. So uh, therefore y equal 1 minus 1 over x minus 2. It should be y equal 1 minus 1 over unlimited, positive or negative unlimited. So it's going to be, it is 0. The result it is 0. So y equal 1 minus 0. It means y equal 1. 1. So this is the equation of a horizontally asymptote. 1. Next, part B. What is the question? Part B. Find the coordinates of the point where the graph of y equal fx intersects at the y-axis and intersects at the x-axis. Right. To find the intersection on the y-axis, we need to set that x equals 0. Okay. So y intersect, we need to set that x should be 0. If x equals 0, it means this function becomes 1, y equal 1 minus 1 divided by 0 minus 2, or 1 minus 1 half. This one. So it is 1 plus 1 half equals 3 half. So the coordinate point, the intersect on the y-axis, is a coordinate point x, y, or 0, 3 halves. This is B part 1. Part 2. To find the intersection on the x-axis, we need to set y equals 0. If x intersects, it means y should be 0. If y equals 0, this equation becomes 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 equals 0. So it becomes 1 over x minus 2 equal 1, or x minus 2 equal 1. I want to scroll down first, and then x equal 1 plus 2 equal 3. So the intersect on the x-axis is x, y. It means 3, 0. That one. Next question. On the following set of x's, sketch the graph of y equal fx, showing all the features found in parts A and part B. So we need to find first the horizontally asymptote and the vertical asymptote. Vertical asymptote x equal 2, and the horizontally asymptote is y equal 1. X equal 2. This is x equal 2. Create the straight line. Okay. And y equal 1, this asymptote. And after that, the intersect point. Intersect point 0, comma 3 half. 3 half, it means uh, 1.5. And this one 3 was 0. 0, comma 1.5 here. 1.5 here. This is 1.0, comma 1.5 or 3 half. And after that 3, comma 0 is here. This is the coordinate point. 3, comma 0. And after that, we create the graph. Okay. This asymptote to this is x equal 2 and this is y equal 1. So this graph never touch, okay, never touch x equal to never intersect at the x equal 2 and y equal 1. And after that, another graph here through 3, comma 0. So, yeah. So this graph never had intercept point with y equal 1, will asymptote y equal 1, and this x equal 2. That's the understanding of asymptote. Next question, number 4. Events A and B are such that probability A equals 0.4. The conditional probability of A given B equals 0.25, and the probability of A union B is 0.55. Find probability B. The conditional probability of A given B, the formula is the probability of A intersection B divided by probability B. And we can rearrange this formula, becomes probability A intersection B equal conditional probability of A given B multiply probability B. 1. And for probability A union B, there is a formula for this probability that is equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability A given B, the conditional probability A given B multiply probability B. Okay. This is the actually this is the probability of this one A intersection B. So substitute this number. It is 0. Better if I writing this first because maybe you will confuse this probability A plus probability B minus the probability A intersection B. So A intersection B equal conditional probability A given B, this one. Okay. So if we substitute this information, this probability equals 0.55, and this probability is 0.4 plus probability B. This probability equals 0.25 of probability B. 0.55 minus 0.4 equal 1 of probability B minus 0.25 of probability B. Okay, I'm going to scroll down first. So this is 0.15, this is 0.75 probability B. So we can calculate the probability B equals 0.15 divided 0.75. It is 1/5 or 0.2. So probability B equals 0.2. Let's continue. Number 5, the following diagram shows part of the graph of y equal x over x squared plus 2. This is the diagram, the graph. For x greater than or equal 0. The shaded region R is bounded by the curve, the x-axis, and the line x equals c. So c. The area of R is learn 3. Find the value of c. Right. The area, how to calculate area? We can calculate through integral 0 to c of the function x over x squared plus 2 dx. And according to information, this is learn 3. The result is learn 3. Next, let u equal x squared plus 2 du equal 2x dx, or 1/2 du equal x dx. So this integral becomes, area becomes integral 0 to c x squared plus 2 dx. It is 1/2 because x dx equal 1/2 du. So 1/2 of this is du. du. Now I'm going to change this 0 and c becomes function according to this information that at x equals 0, because at x equals 0, so u0, okay, this function u0 equals 0 squared plus 2, and u0 equal 2. So this is 2 here. U0 here. I'm going to write it here. It is 2.5. And then at x equals c, so at c, this is uc. uc equal c squared plus 2. So this is c squared plus 2 of the differential of du over u is learn u. It is learn 3, the result. Now we're going to find, next we're going to find, we're going to substitute c squared plus 2 and 2 into learn u. So it's going to be 1/2 learn c squared plus 2 minus learn 2 equal learn 3, or it is learn c squared plus 2 over 2 according to learn rule equal 2 learn 3. Or it is learn 9 because 3 squared. So we can state that c squared plus 2 equal 9. So c squared over 2 equal 9. C squared plus 2 equals 2 multiply 9, 18. Roll down. And c squared equal 18 minus 2. So c squared equals 16 and c equals square root 16. It is 4. That one. Next, I'm going to move to the next question, 6. The functions f and g are defined for x element of real. Fx is this one, ax plus b, gx is x squared plus x plus 3. Find the two possible functions f such that gx, this composite function g of f of x for x squared minus 14x plus 15. The functions g of f of x, we can write it like this: g of f of x 4x squared minus 14x plus 15. Gx is 1 and fx is this one. So gfx, g of f of x, I'm going to writing as according to this information, this one, gx, gx, x squared plus x plus 3. It means fx squared plus fx plus 3 according to this information. Yes, so fx is ax plus b, so it means ax plus b squared plus ax plus b plus 3. And its result is a squared x squared plus 2a bx plus b squared plus ax plus b plus 3. And yeah, I would like to simplify. It is a squared x squared plus 2ab plus ax plus b squared plus b plus 3. So this is a g of f of x, function g of f of x. According to the information that g of function g of f of x as well, this one. So it means we can state that a squared x squared plus 2ab plus ax plus b squared plus b plus 3 equal 4x squared minus 14x plus 15. So a squared equal 4 because a squared x squared parallel with 4x squared. So it means a equals square root 4 and it is plus minus 2. And x for the first condition, for a equal 2, it means it is 2ab plus a equal minus 14, this one. 2ab plus a equal minus 14. Substitute 2 into this equation, 2 times 2 times b plus a equal minus 14. So it's going to be 4b plus a is 2 as well. A 2 plus 2 equal minus 14. So 4b equal minus 16 and b equal minus 16 divided by 4 minus 4. The second condition, for a equal minus 2 to ab plus a equals minus 14, substitute minus 2, 2 multiply minus 2, that's minus 2 here, b minus 2 equal minus 14. So minus 4b equal is minus 12. So b equal minus 12 over minus 4, and it is 3. So b equal minus 4 and b equals 3. Next, for especially for this one, b squared plus b plus 3. For b squared plus b plus 3 equal 15, if you substitute b equal minus 4 and b equal 3, so if this is minus 4 squared, sorry, minus 4 plus 3, it is 15. So correct for this result. If b 3b squared plus 3 squared plus 3 plus 3, it is 15. So correct for b equal 3. Right, we are going to find the function. If a equal 2 and b equal minus 4, and fx equal ax plus p, so we can substitute this information into this function. The function will be fx equal 2x minus 4. If a equal minus 2 and b equals 3, so fx equal minus 2x plus 3. So there are two possibilities function, this one and this one. Number 7, the following diagram shows part of the graph of a quadratic function f. The vertex of the parabole is minus 2, minus 5, and the y-intercept is at point P. So this y-intercept with this parabola. And the vertex is minus 2, minus 5. Write down the equations of the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry we can determine through the vertex. And the vertex is minus 2, minus 5. So this is the symmetry. So symmetry equation x equal minus 2. This is the symmetry equation. Next, B. The function can be written in the form of x 1/4 x minus h squared plus k. Write down the values of h and k. Right. So the function fx 1/4 x minus h squared plus k. So we can determine h from this one. This equation is, wait, I'm going to look this. I forgot. This one. Okay, so the equation according to this information that the vertex is -2, -5, or so this is -2 and this is minus k. So h equal -2 from this vertex and k equal -5 from this vertex of this function. C. Find the y coordinate of P, intersect point. The intersect point between y-axis and the parabola. Fx equal 1/4 x, because h equals -2, it means x plus 2, sorry, plus 2 squared minus 5. And we can determine y coordinate to this point P, and point P is 0, comma, point, because the intercept point. The intercept point, uh, the intercept point, this is the intercept point, okay, here, sorry, and here, we are going to find the intercept point on y-axis. So it is x equals 0. If x equals 0, this function we can write as 1/4 x plus 2 squared minus 5. If x equals 0, according to this information, that y equal 1/4 0 plus 2 squared minus 5. And it is 4 times 1/4, 1 minus 5, and is minus 4. So this is minus 4. So we can state that the y coordinate is -4. D. This information first. In the following diagram, the line L is normal to the graph of f at point P. This is line L, and L is a normal line. And then find the equations of the line L in the form y ax plus b. D. Fx 1/4 x plus 2 squared minus 5. So we need to find the derivative of this function, and the derivative is 1/4, and now the derivative of this term is 2x plus 2 power 1 multiplied by 1. This is because the derivative of 1x is 1. 5. 1 here. Okay, derivative of x. And this is, the derivative is 1/2 x plus 2 minus 5. So this is the derivative of fx. So we need to find the slope of a normal line and the tangent. The slope of the tangent at point, I'm going to write here, the slope of the tangent of tangent at point 0, comma minus 4. Okay. So if x equals 0, we can determine to 0, 1 half 0 plus 2 minus 5. Okay. And the result is 2, 1 minus 5. This is minus, this is, sorry, not, there's no without 5. Actually, sorry. I have to clean first this area. Right. There's no 5 here. So without 5. So because derivative of this function is there is no 5 here, here, there's no 5, just 1. So it is, there's no 5 here, just 1, so it is 1. Next, after that, we are going to, this is the slope of the tangent at p 0, comma minus 4. I'm going to writing as m tangent equal 1. Right. Next, the slope of the normal line is negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent line. Okay, because if a normal and tangent will be minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 equal minus 1. Okay. M tangent times M normal equal minus 1. So it means M normal, M tangent equal minus 1. So if M tangent equal 1, 1, it means M normal equal minus 1 because minus 1 divided by 1. This is the tangent of the normal line. And the equation line L is, I would like to write in this formula y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. Okay. This is true 0, comma minus 4. This is x1, this is y1. And the gradient is this one, minus 1. So y minus, wait, okay, y minus 4, m minus 1, x minus 0, y plus 4 minus x. And after that, y equal minus x minus 4. So this is the equation of the normal line, L. Next question. The line L intersects the graph of f at a second point, Q, this one, as shown above. So Q, the intercept point between this curve and this strike line, normal line. Calculate the distance between P and Q. So we are going to find Q first, and after that, find the distance between coordinate point P and coordinate point Q. Part E. We are going to find the intercept point of the line L and parabola. Just now I told you that the line equation is minus x minus 4, and the parabola is 1/4 x minus x plus 2, I mean squared minus 5. So y equal y. It means minus x minus 4 equal 1/4 x plus 2 squared minus 5. I'm going to describe this. Becomes 1/4 x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 5. After that, this is minus x minus 4, and after that multiply by 4 becomes minus 4x minus 16 x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 20. And it is x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 20 plus 4x 1 plus 16 equals 0. And more space. So it becomes x squared plus 8x because 4x and 4x, and this one becomes minus 0 or 0. So factorize x plus 8 equals 0. So x equals 0 or x equal minus 8. So there are two values of x. The first condition, if x equals 0, substitute to y becomes minus 0 minus 4 equal minus 4. Y is minus x minus 4. Okay, so y equals minus 4. And the coordinate point, x comma y, 0 comma minus 4. That is x. This is p, 0 comma minus 4. The first is the first coordinate, the first intercept point. If x equals minus 8, y equal minus of minus 8 minus 4, and it is equal 4 because 8 minus 4. And the coordinate point of q is minus 8 comma 4. Now the distance, I need more space. The distance of between p 0 comma minus 4 and q minus 8 comma 4. Distance equals square root. Formula is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Square root x2. X2 is minus 8 minus 0. This is x1 squared plus y2 is 4 minus negative 4 squared. This is minus 8 squared. This is 8 squared. So d equals square root 64 plus 64. or square root 64 times square root 2 and 8 square root 2. So this is the distance between P and Q. Number 8. Consider an acute angle theta such that cosine theta equal 2/3. Find the value of sine theta and sine 2 theta. Right. So sine theta, we're writing here. First one here, sine theta. Uh, if cosine if cosine theta is 2/3, it means if there is a right angle triangle, this one theta, so cosine theta is 2/3, this one. Okay, so it means sine theta. We need to find this side first. This side is 3 squared minus 2 squared square root 5. So it means sine theta equals square root 5 third. One. Next, sine 2 theta. Okay. Sine 2 theta, according to the trigonometric identity, sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. So it means 2 times sine theta is 1 square root 5 third. And cosine theta is 1, 2 third. So the result is 4 square root 5 divided by 9. 4 square root 5 over 9. This is sine 2 theta. The following diagram shows triangle ABC with angle B theta, angle A 2 theta, BCA, and ACB. This is the triangle. Show that B equal 3A over 4. Right. According to the sine rule, that B over sine theta equal A over sine 2 theta. It means B equals sine theta is square root 5 third and sine 2 theta is 4 square root 5 over 9. So it means you can determine B equal is 9 times A becomes 9A over 4 square root 5. Multiply square root 5 third. This one. And divided becomes 3 and it is 1. So the result is 3A over 4. Proved. So P. So C. BA is extended. So this is BA. BA is extended to form an isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. So if this is A, it means this side DC is A. With angle D is theta, as shown in the following diagram. Find the value of sine angle CAD. Angle CAD, CAD, and angle angle CAB are supplementary, or angle CAB and CAD are supplementary. Okay. Angle CAD and angle CAB are supplementary. If supplementary, it means angle CAD and angle CAB, they have the same sine value. So sine angle CAD equal sine angle CAB. One. So we can, and here, if angles, if sine, sorry, if sine, this is part C, if sine angle CAD equals sine angle CAB. So it means angle CAD equals sine 2 theta, because angle CAB equal angle BAC. Sine BAC, sine angle BAC equals sine 2 theta, because BAC equals 2 theta on the previous problem. So if sine 2 theta is square root 45 over 9, this one, part D. This one, sorry. Part D. This one. Find the area of triangle DAC in terms of A. Right. I'm going to show you that actually this angle DAC, angle DAC is theta. I'm going to show you my analysis about this. Okay, I have to erase to clean first. See? Okay, right. I will extend this strike line. Okay. Okay. And after that, this strike line as well. Okay. And then I'm going to create a strike line parallel with BAD. Parallel with BAD. So look, if this angle is theta, okay, it means this angle is theta. And angle BAC, this angle is 2 theta. It means this angle is 2 theta. Because this angle BAC same with this angle 2 theta. If this angle is theta, it means this angle is theta, because theta plus theta equal 2 theta. If this angle theta, it means the opposite angle it is theta. So that's why for me that this angle DCA, I mean, or DCA, angle DCA equal theta. And next, AD, look that side in front of theta is B. It means this side as well B, because in front of theta. So AD equal B. And let's recalculate. Area, what the area of the triangle is 1/2 times B times B and sine 2 theta. Okay. You can evaluate the triangle, and it is 1/2 times p. P is 3a over 4, 3a over 4 from our previous solution, and sine theta is 4 square root 5 over 9. Okay, and 4 divided by 4 equal 1, and 3 and 3 times 3 equal 9 divided, and it is, look that this is uh, a and a, it means square root 5a squared over 2 times 4, 8. So the solution, the area is this one, square root 5a squared over a. Number 9, a circle with equation x squared plus y squared equal 9 has center 0, 0, origin, this is the center, and radius 3. A triangle PQR is inscribed in a circle with its vertices at P minus 3, 0, Q, x, y, and R, x, minus y, where Q and R are variable points in the first and fourth quadrants respectively. This is shown in the following diagram. So this is the diagram. Question A, for point Q, show that y equals square root 9 minus x squared. The equation is x squared plus y squared equal 9. So y squared equal 9 minus x squared, or y equals square root 9 minus x squared. So proof. So next question, hence find an expression for A, the area of triangle PPR in terms of x. B. The base, first I'm going to show you the base is the distance between R, this one, R and Q. This is the base, R and Q. All right, so it means the distance you want, we can D1 or base, this is y minus y, because R coordinate point is x comma minus y, and then Q is x comma y. So the distance between R and Q is y minus minus y, and it is y on y minus y because R and Q parallel with this y-axis. Okay, so only y minus y. So it is 2y. So that is the first distance between R and Q. And y is, according to this information, that y is square root 9 minus x squared. So it is 2 square root 9 minus x squared. Now the height is occurs on x-axis. Okay, this one, Pn, between this point and this point. Sorry, this point I mean. This is x. is x. X, it means this is x. Okay, this is x. According to this information, it's 1x, so 1x, it means this is x. Between -3 and x. So the height is x minus 3, and it is x plus 3. 1. So the area equal 1/2 times base. This is base, and this is height. Base is 2 square root 9 minus x squared, and then this is x plus 3. So go 1, and it is x plus 3 square root 9 minus x squared. C. Show that dA dx equal this expression. A is 1. A equal x plus 3 square root 9 minus x squared. Part C. So the A, the x, I would like to use let u equal x plus 3. So du dx for 1, phi equals square root 9 minus x squared. So the phi dx, it is 1/2 because this is 9 minus x squared, or 1/2. So 1/2 times 9 minus x squared power minus 1/2 times the derivative of this of x squared minus 2x, derivative of minus x squared. So it is minus because equal 1 minus x, sorry, minus x times 1 over square root 9 minus x squared. And it becomes minus x over square root 9 minus x squared. Okay, dA dx is u times the phi dx plus phi times du dx. U is this one, x plus 3. The phi dx is this one, minus x over 9 minus x squared, plus phi is square root 9 minus x squared, and then du dx is 1. So it becomes, calculate this, minus x plus 3 over square root 9 minus x squared plus square root 9 minus x squared. And if you calculate this, minus x squared minus 3x over square root 9 minus x squared. Okay, plus I would like to set becomes the same denominator, and this is 9 minus x squared comes minus x squared minus 3x minus x squared plus 9 over square root 9 minus x squared becomes minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 9 over square root 9 minus x squared. So this is the derivative. The a dx is 1. Next question. Hence or otherwise find y coordinate of R so that A is a maximum. Maximum, a maximum we can get if the x equals 0. So the dx would be 0. It means this expression equals 0 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 9 divided by 9 minus x squared, it is 0. So if we calculate, multiply this denominator in a 0, so it becomes 2 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 9 equals 0. Now we are going to find the value of x. It means I'm gonna using ABC formula. It means A equal minus 2, B equal minus 3, and C equal 9. Okay, scroll down. So x1 and x2 equal minus b, it means 3, plus minus square root minus 3 squared minus 4 minus 2 times 9. Divided 2 times minus 2, and it is 3 plus minus square root 9 plus 4 times 2 times 9, 72, minus 4, and it is 3 plus minus square root 81. It's 4, so 3 plus minus 9, that's 4. So x1 is 3 plus 9 divided by minus 4, and this is 12 minus 4, and it is minus 3. Okay, minus 3. And x2 is minus 3 minus 9 minus 4, and it is minus 6 over minus 4, 3 half. Okay, now we're going to find y. You can use 3, you can use minus 3 or 3 half, but I will take 3 half. Substitute x equal 3 half into y equal minus 9, y equals square root 9 minus x squared. 1. It means y equal square root 9 minus 3 half squared to square root 9 minus 9 over 4. It is 36 over 4 minus 9 over 4, and square root 27 over 4, or 3 half. So y equals 1, equal 3 square root 3 half. our coordinate, our coordinate, our coordinate is x comma minus y. You can evaluate the diagram. This is the r coordinate x comma minus y. Okay. So this means our coordinate is x. Okay. Uh, x comma minus 1 minus 3 to 3 half. Okay. This is x is 3 half. Okay, the one. I take 3 half because if minus 3, the x1 is minus 3. If you look this diagram, the value of x is a positive here. Okay, this is x negative. This is x negative 3, this one. But for this one, x is positive. It means x is 3 half, right? So we can state that the y coordinate, is minus 3 square root 3 half. That is a y coordinate.